हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम बात करेंगे साइट वर्ड्स के बारे में। साइट वर्ड्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द अर्ली लर्निंग एंड अर्ली रीडिंग ऑफ अ चाइल्ड। हम जब भी अपने बच्चों को एक न्यू वर्ड सिखाते हैं, जनरली हम उन वर्ड्स को एक इमेज, एक पिक्चर से रिप्रेजेंट करते हुए बच्चों को सिखाते हैं। Unlike this, sight words generally do not accompany an image. Sight words are very important for a child's early learning development. Sight words do not accompany any picture, and our children are encouraged to memorize these words as a whole by sight so that they can automatically recognize them when they are in print, and the children do not need to apply any strategy to decode the words with a picture or an image in their mind. अगर हम अपने बच्चों को एक क्विक और फ्लुएंट रीडर बनाना चाहते हैं, देन वी शुड डेफिनेटली फोकस ऑन साइट वर्ड्स एंड साइट वर्ड्स की प्रैक्टिस करा के वी शुड गिव देम अ गुड कमांड, अ गुड होल्ड ऑन दीज वर्ड्स सो दैट दे डू नॉट फेस एनी प्रॉब्लम while reading. Now the point is, how do we recognize sight words? These words, they often appear in the text. कोई भी हमारा टेक्स्ट या स्टोरी होगी, ये वर्ड्स उसमें रिपीटेडली यूज होंगे. देन दीज वर्ड्स दे डू नॉट फॉलो द यूजुअल स्पेलिंग रूल्स एंड जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया है, ये कोई भी इमेज या पिक्चर को रिप्रेजेंट नहीं करते हैं. Moreover, these words are generally adjectives, adverbs, pronouns, prepositions, conjunctions, and verb. And 100% by recognizing these words, अगर बच्चे ये words recognize कर लें, then they are more likely to be a confident. Sight words account up to 75% of the words used in beginning of their reading. There are many sight words, but आज हम कुछ sight words ऐसे पढ़ेंगे जो हमारे बच्चों की basic beginning level of reading के लिए important है. Sight words starting from A are a, an, at, are, as, at, and, all, about, after. B, by, be, but, been. C, can, could, come. D, did, down, do. E, each. F, from, first, find, for. G, go. H, he, his, had, how, has, her, him, have. I, in, I, if, into, is, it, its. J, just. K, no. L, like, long, little. M, my, may, make, made, more, many, most, me. N, not, no, now. O, or, one, of, out, other, over, only, on. P, people. S, so, said, she, some, see. T, the, to, they, their, these, to. U, up, use. We, very, was, with, what, were, when, we, will, why, you, your. Now parents, these are only few sight words, and अगर हम अपने बच्चों को ऐसे ही सिर्फ रीडिंग कराते रहेंगे, it is not possible कि उनको सारे sight words एक बार में थरक हो जाएं. We need to make them practice by reading again and again, reading different story books, different books, small text. हम उनको sight words पे कुछ exercises भी करा सकते हैं. I would request you, please watch the video till the end. Now, we all know that sight words are very important and very essential for the children. They account for up to 75% of the words used in beginning of their reading. अभी हम यहाँ पे कुछ बुक्स ऐसी देखेंगे which will definitely help your kids. इन बुक्स में बहुत सारे sight words हैं. आप इन बुक्स की अपने बच्चों को रीडिंग कराते रहिए एंड डेफिनेटली दे विल गेट अ गुड कमांड, अ गुड होल्ड ऑन साइट वर्ड्स. अगर बच्चों को साइट वर्ड्स आ जाए तो उनको रीडिंग में उतनी प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती है. दिस इज लिटिल रेड हेन, लेडी बर्ड, लेवल 1. You can easily get it in any bookstore या आप इसको Amazon से भी ले सकते हैं. We will read this right now. Little Red Hen. Will you help me plant the wheat? Asked Little Red Hen. No, said the rat, the cat and the dog. Now, अगर हम इसी पेज को देखें, we will get a number of sight words. Will, you, me, the, ये सब sight words हैं. No, said, the, again the, and the. Then I will plant it all by myself, said Little Red Hen. And she did. Then I will is a sight word, it, all, by, said, and she did. ये सब sight words हैं. We will complete reading this book right now. Will you help me cut the wheat? Asked Little Red Hen. No, said the rat, the cat and the dog. Now parents, you can see the words are being repeated. No, the, and, will. So this will definitely help your child. Then I will cut it all by myself, said Little Red Hen. And she did. Will you help me make the flour? Asked Little Red Hen. No, said the rat, the cat and the dog. Then I will make it all by myself, said Little Red Hen. And she did. Will you help me make the bread? Asked Little Red Hen. No, said the rat, the cat and the dog. Then I will make it all by myself, said Little Red Hen. And she did. Will you help me eat the bread? Asked Little Red Hen. Yes, said the rat, the cat and the dog. No, said the Little Red Hen. I will eat it all by myself. And she did. Now this is a small story. This is a small story which will help the children getting a good command, a good hold on sight words. Same level 1 की और भी बहुत सारी books हैं. I have one more. It is Fun at the Fair. Now we will have a look at this book also. Again, these are the characters and the commonly used words. Peppa Pig, George, Mummy and Daddy Pig are at the fun fair. Peppa's friends are at the fun fair too. Peppa and Mummy Pig go to see one of the stalls. I love that big panda, says Peppa. Here and go to see one of the. इस एक सेंटेंस में we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have in this one single sentence we have 7 sight words. I love that big panda, says Peppa. Mummy Pig wins the big panda for Peppa. Hooray, says Peppa. George wants to go on the big slide. Daddy Pig goes with him. George loves the slide, but the slide is too big for Daddy Pig. I don't like this slide at all, he says. Peppa and Mummy Pig go to the next stall. Mummy Pig wins another big panda for Peppa. George wants to go on the big wheel next. Daddy Pig goes with him. George loves the big wheel, but the wheel is too big for Daddy Pig. I don't like this big wheel at all, he says. George and Daddy Pig see Peppa and Mummy Pig at one of the stalls. Mummy Pig wins all the pandas at the fun fair. Hooray for Mummy, says Peppa. Peppa gives all her friends a big panda. Hooray, say Peppa and her friends. We love fun fairs. So now this is another very simple yet very interesting book. I hope आपको ये session sight words का पसंद आया हो. And in the next video, I'll upload few exercises related to different sight words so that the children can get a good command, a good hold on the sight words. So parents, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो, if you think कि आपको इससे ज़रा सी भी help मिल सकती है, do like it, do share it and do subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so that you keep getting updates. Thank you. Bye bye.